The world is on the edge of the biggest shift in human history. With AI taking over, the big question isn't just about technology, it's about our future. The world is changing faster today than the technology did in the last decade. Today, we will explore how AI is reshaping the job market, how people are upgrading themselves, and how small business owners are using it as a tool to reach the peak of success. Honestly speaking, some professions are definitely at risk. For jobs that are repetitive and primarily involve data processing, AI is now faster and more accurate than humans. Data entry and clerical work. AI is now processing thousands of files in just a few seconds. Basic customer support. Chatbots are now able to provide accurate answers to almost every query. Translation and basic writing tasks are now being done by AI in the blink of an eye. Artificial intelligence, AI, is not replacing humans. Rather, those who know how to use AI are replacing those who do not. People are not standing still. A silent revolution is underway across the world to adapt to new skills. People are now focusing most on three things. 1. Prompt engineering. Knowing how to give the right instructions to AI is now the biggest skill. 2. Human in the loop. AI does the work, but humans make the decisions. People are now working as editors or curators. 3. Soft skills. Creativity, empathy, and the ability to make complex decisions, which AI lacks, are the skills people are now focusing on twice as much. Many people are evolving from full-stack developers to AI integration specialists. Your willingness to learn is now your greatest asset. For small businesses, AI has come as a blessing. What used to cost lakhs in marketing can now be done at a nominal cost. With AI, professional ad copies and images can now be created in just a few minutes. Personalization. Sending offers based on customer preferences is now automated. Pros versus cons. It is difficult to label AI as simply good or bad. It is a powerful tool, and the results depend on how it is used. Pros and benefits. Time saving. AI can do in seconds what used to take humans several hours. Pros and benefits. Time saving. AI can do in seconds what used to take humans several hours. Increased efficiency. It reduces the potential for human error, improving the quality and precision of work. Achieving the impossible. In complex tasks like space research or discovering new technologies, AI is giving us unimaginable capabilities. What do you think? Is AI killing human creativity or taking it to new heights? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.